Hello friends, welcome to interview questions and answers video tutorial series. Today I will discuss question number 13th and my 13th question is describe a time when your work was criticized and how you handled it. Many times in interviews, because this question they ask you to know that how you have handled your criticism in your last company. This question only asks to experienced persons. So how to answer this question? Let's see some answers. First answer. As a fresher, when I have joined my previous organization and after spending my 2 months over there, I start working in my own way, which I learned during my training period. But my senior didn't like this. He started criticizing me for at least 1 week. He always rejected my work, which I was doing. After this, when I get one project by my efforts, then he stopped criticizing me and appreciated me for my work. Through this, I learned my biggest experience in my professional field, that how we can overcome with criticism. So here I am sharing one of the experience of my previous organization, that when I have joined that organization as a fresher, I am working according to the way which I have taught in my training period. But my senior didn't like this and he started criticizing me and my work. He started rejecting my work. But then also I have kept patient. I have done my work, and when I got the project by my effort, he stopped the criticism and he appreciated my work. So this is the way I have handled my criticism in my last company. I have shared this experience with interviewer. Okay, next answer. As I have started my career in my last company as a fresher, so working culture and professionalism was totally new to me. Yes, there was a situation where I got criticized for my work, but I took that in a positive way and tried not to repeat the same. But as an experienced person, I can say that criticism is good to improve your mistake, but sometimes it can be intentionally done. So only thing is that we have to take everything in positive way. So here I have again shared my last company where I have joined as a fresher. Everything was new to me. I have learned everything, but I faced some criticism, but I took my criticism in a positive way and I have improved my mistakes. So according to me, criticism is a positive feedback which you should take in a positive way and you should improve your mistakes. Okay, so here are the two examples which I have given for experienced persons. They can share their previous company experience to interviewer, and by sharing that experience you have to add your quality, that how you have handled that criticism. Okay, next we will see some answers, because there are many persons who haven't faced any criticism. So how to answer the interviewer in this situation? So my answer is, I don't remember such incident of criticism in my work career, but I always used to take feedback from my colleagues and managers so that I can correct my mistakes, improve way of communication and working style, and never repeat those mistakes again in future. Now here, this is an example of when I haven't faced any criticism, I can answer in such a way, because here I am just trying to convince the interviewer that even though I haven't faced any criticism my work, but I always used to take feedback from my colleagues and managers, and I used to correct my mistakes and improve the way which I am working, and also I tried never to repeat those mistakes. Next answer, as of now I did not remember any highly criticism on my work. However, I might have done some small mistakes, but mistakes make us perfect. I like getting feedbacks and take it positively, and I always try to improve and not to repeat a mistake again. So here also this is the example of not facing any criticism. I am again trying to convince the interviewer by saying it that even though I am not facing any criticism, but I like to get feedbacks and I like to improve my mistakes and I take it positively. Okay, so hope you like my answers and you can use this in your interviews. Thank you for watching my video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe my YouTube channel of Learn by Watch for watching more videos. Mail me your comments and suggestion at shalu@learnbywatch.com. Thank you.